Welcome. This guide will help you navigate the PSCBC portal. We will focus on referring a conciliation dispute. After logging in, you will see the Union Representative homepage. This page has three main buttons: Referrals, Case Roll, and Help. Referrals. Use this button to submit new referrals and track existing ones. Case Roll. This section manages cases that have progressed beyond the referral stage. Help. Click here for support and guidance on using the portal. For this guide, we will focus on the Referrals button. Click on the Referrals button. This takes you to the Referrals subsite. Here you can view all your referrals. You can also see any outstanding tasks. These are actions you need to take for your referrals to proceed. To start a new conciliation referral, click on the New Application button. Clicking New Application opens a new page. This is the first step in initiating the conciliation process. This page is where you begin the conciliation referral. You will need to fill out the necessary details accurately. Application type. Select conciliation from the drop-down menu. This ensures that your application is categorized correctly. Party referring the dispute. Choose whether the union or the employee is referring the dispute. This information is crucial for processing. Dispute date. Enter the date the dispute occurred. Make sure the date is accurate to avoid any delays. Double-check all the information you entered. This step is important to ensure there are no errors. Once you are sure everything is accurate, click Submit. You will now see a new page. This page is designed to gather all pertinent details regarding the dispute. This page requires specific details about the conciliation dispute. Trade union name. Select your trade union's name from the provided data source. This ensures that the dispute is correctly associated with the right union. Contact information. Verify the pre-populated contact details. Add any missing information to ensure all contact points are accurate, but use semicolons to separate multiple email addresses. This allows for clear communication with all relevant parties. A number of affected employees. Indicate if the dispute involves one or multiple employees. This helps in understanding the scale of the issue. Provide the details for each affected employee. This includes names, positions, and any other relevant information. Department and employer. Choose the relevant department and employer from the data source. This ensures the dispute is correctly categorized. Validate the pre-populated contact information. Double-check for any errors or omissions. Include details for multiple employers if applicable. Nature of dispute and PSCBC resolution. Select the appropriate options from the provided drop-down menus. This helps in identifying the core issues and potential resolutions. Additional information. Fill in any remaining information requested in the provided fields. If needed, choose the desired interpretation language from the drop-down menu. This ensures that all parties can understand the proceedings. Carefully review all the information you have entered. Before submitting, you must upload all necessary documents. The page will list the required documents. Check the boxes next to each document as you upload them. Once you have uploaded all the required documents, click Submit. Congratulations! You have successfully submitted your conciliation referral to the PSCBC. Tracking your referral progress. In this section, we will guide you through the steps to effectively monitor the status of your referrals. To view your submitted referrals, click the All Referrals button located on the main dashboard. This page displays a comprehensive list of all your referrals and their current status, making it easy to keep track of each one. Click on a specific referral to view its detailed progress and any updates. The Referral Progress table at the bottom of the page provides real-time updates and tracks the referral's journey through the PSCBC process, ensuring you are always informed. You have now learned how to navigate the PSCBC portal efficiently and effectively. You can successfully submit a conciliation referral and monitor its progress from submission to resolution. If you require further assistance or have any questions, do not hesitate to contact the PSCBC directly. Our support team is always ready to help.